grabe yung improvement when it comes to glue. Time to declutter, guys. Nice dirty chai. Mga vest ko, guys.
To Gentle Monster.
Good morning, guys. So today is actually a Sunday. I'm just making my matcha kasi, guys, you know me, cannot function without my matcha. This is the powder that I'm using. I will link it below. Today is a reset day for me kasi bukas meron ulit kaming pasok. Plan ko pa rin maglinis, mag-declutter dito sa room ko kasi super dami kong damit na hindi naman na ginagamit. And like wala na rin akong mga hangers. Actually, yun yung sign ko na parang mag-declutter is kapag wala na akong hangers, kailangan ko na talaga magpawas ng damit. Milk for today is outside. Okay, so it's 10:41 a.m. Nandito yung mostly mga outfits ko for campus. Basta for everyday, nandito sila. Pero yung mga sweaters, hoodies, dresses ko, nasa walk-in closets. So, kasi ibang araw ko na yung gawin. Ito muna yung prioritize ko kasi kailangan ko muna malinis itong room na to. Sana neto, guys. Parang ganyan siya. Ganyan siya dapat. Pero ang laki. Tignan nyo. Diba? Gonna let this one go. Check out PN Closet PH on Instagram kasi doon namin binibenta yung mga pre-loved clothes namin. Nandito naman yung mga vest ko, guys. Ayan. I have a lot of vests kasi ito yung go-to outfit pag events, pag sa school. I don't know why. Ang dami kong white t-shirt. Like, puro plain. I'm gonna let this one go. Okay, I have a lot of hangers na ang dami na nila. I was able to get rid of some tops na hindi ko na nasusot. As in, yung iba bago pa talaga. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa study table ko. And I'm gonna organize my makeup now. I bought these organizers for my makeup. I have all of my makeup, guys, here. Mga eyeliners, mascaras, ko lang. Kailangan ko muna magbawas kasi super dami kong makeup and hindi naman lahat nagagamit. I'm pretty sure yung iba dito expired na. So, the last pouch. Keep and then disposal. Okay, time to declutter, guys. Let's go. These are new. I have a lot of eyeliners. Hopefully matuto na ako paano mag-eyeliner. These are brand new pa. Oh my gosh! November 4. What day is it today? November 3! Oh my gosh! Bukas expired na to, guys. See, this is why dapat nag-declutter talaga ako every month. This is your sign, everybody, na mag-declutter. Our lip tints are here, PN Beauty. This is in the shade Caramel. If gusto niyo ng mga tint na super long-lasting but creamy, ayan. Gamit ko to today, actually. Okay, so I think I have like 10 minutes to prepare kasi meron akong taxation class at 11 a.m. So yun, alam niyo naman, before I leave, I have to put on my lotion for the day. I have really dry skin, so halata talaga guys kapag hindi ako naglo-lotion. Lagi ko na itong ina-explain sa vlog. This is the Vaseline Gluya HYA Serum Burst Lotion. No-brainer if you guys want to achieve that bright and glowing skin, but no sticky feeling at all. This is the lotion for you. I know super hype na neto, pero deserve nyo talaga kasi grabe talaga yung difference guys. Grabe yung improvement when it comes to glow, lalo na yung texture ng skin ko. And I think one thing to consider din na it's better to apply this religiously talaga. Like ako, I use this when I'm going out. And then I use this one naman. This is the Overnight Radiance Repair. This is what I use every night before I sleep because this really gives that deep nourishment sa skin nyo. But yun, for everyday, I use this pink one. This has Gluta Glow, Hyaluron, and Niacinamide. So this really gives you that healthy and bright looking skin. Kasi ako guys, hindi talaga ganito yung skin ko before. My skin before was very dull kasi lagi akong lumalabas ng walang ina-apply sa katawan ko. Like no sunscreen. When I use this, grabe yung improvement ng skin ko talaga. So if you guys haven't tried this out, this is your sign na i-try nyo na to para you guys can experience that Gluta HYA glow up. So I think I'm just gonna change and I'll see you guys sa campus na. So it's currently 11 a.m. and today is yung parang actual first day namin here in Bangkok. Excuse the mess. This is the whole fit for today. Outfit is from Gentlewoman and then NONSTATIQUE Tote version 2. Link below. Right now, magbo-book lang kami. Ito yung parang Grab nila, guys. But it's called Ball. Okay, so kakagaling lang namin guys sa Pop Mart. But di naman ako bumili. Yung mommy na lang namin yung bumili. But right now, we're off to Gentle Monster. Gentle Monster? Ano ba? Ay, Gentlewoman pala. Actually, bawal mag-vlog there. It's a comb. Okay, our next agenda here sa Siam Square is this one. Magpa-photo booth kami. They have a lot of cute concepts inside. I think I'm gonna take some photos na rin for my Instagram. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try itong photo booth na to. At magiging ganito yung itsura na parang nasa loob ka ng box. Do I click confirm?
Hindi, may gagawin sila.
Hala, pwede pa isa ba? Wala, nakakabaliw naman to guys. Okay, nagpiprint na siya guys. Yay! Tada! This is my second location, y'all. CR siya. Pero, ang cool niya kapag sa mismong photos. So, okay, so update. It's currently 2:21 p.m. And we're gonna have lunch. Second meal of the day. Kasi nag-breakfast naman kami kanina sa hotel. But yeah, we're here at Siam Paragon. So nag-shop lang sila mommy. I'm gonna order my food na.
Guys, we ordered mango sticky rice for dessert. Yay! Dahil pakita mo yung orange juice mo. Okay guys, so I got orange juice. Kasi we're gonna go to a cafe later and baka doon na ako mag-drinks talaga.
Original.
Do you want?
Maybe it's getting rid of all of it.
Okay guys, so after our, I think 1 hour drive din yun, we're finally here at Catalea Estate. So I found this cafe on TikTok lang. I think kaka-open lang din nila. I ordered, what's this again? Hold on, I forgot. They don't have matcha kasi. I asked them, pero sabi nila since parang bago pa lang, they're still developing their menu. So I got myself some iced dirty chai. I also got this avocado and grapefruit salad. It's already 4:56 p.m. Update, we're now at Donkey. Ito yung lagi namin pinupuntahan kasi super lapit na to sa hotel namin. So we're just going to buy grocery items, some food kasi 4 days pa kami or 3 days pa kami dito sa Bangkok. I found the Japanese green tea section. Ito yung in-order ko before. Binili ko before. Pero instant kasi yung mga to. I'm trying to find if meron silang hindi instant.
We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Mona. I reach through.
Now we're gonna pack everything. May naligaw na isa, hindi pa sinama. This is Casey's.
Recommend.
This is me. Ito ano, Pride. Do you want also? For tonight. Ako lang wala. Guys, meron akong gusto i-try na parang famous Thai drink na you can do sa 7-Eleven nila. But, I'm gonna do it sa ibang araw because milk tea siya. I mean, like, daming sugar. Hindi ko carry mag-ubos today. So, I'm gonna do it kapag I have time. Siguro on Saturday.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아. 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.